Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I want to show you how to make your own YouTube channel to post video lesson or lectures or any kind of video you want to your students. It's becoming clear that as more and more people add video to Google Classroom and Google Drive, it's becoming slower and slower to render. So YouTube might be a place where you can host it. Okay, let me show you how to do that. It's kind of simple, but there's a caveat to it because about a year ago, Google stopped doing branded accounts with education and stuff like that for YouTube. So you have to do it kind of like with a personal account. So let me show you what I mean. If I go to YouTube, so I'm starting fresh here. Okay, if I go to YouTube and I go to sign in, let me sign out and go to sign in. Okay, and I choose my school account and I log in. I have a couple of YouTube channels here, but if I wanted to make a new one, if I go up here and I say, if I go to settings, and down here it says add or manage a YouTube account, right? I can click that, try to create a new channel, and then I'm presented with a way it looks like, hey, create a brand account. This brand account has different names. For example, a business name or another name you want to choose. So I say Mr. Thomason and I say create. I'm going to get an error that says something like this. So it's not telling you what that means, but what that means is you cannot create a YouTube channel under your school's domain. So what you have to end up doing is do it under your personal Gmail or make a free Gmail that is just for that. Okay, so let me show you that. So I'm going to go back to YouTube and I'm going to sign out. And I'm going to sign in with my personal email. And let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to go to here, sign in. And now, so I have a bunch of videos and stuff. I'm going to go to just one that I just created. I just did this yesterday. So let's say I wanted to go and create a new one, or if I wanted to use my main one, I'm going to go to settings, and it's going to have the same option, add or manage your channel. I click it, and I've got all these things here. So if you want, by default, you'll already have a channel, and it'll be called your name. But if you want to create a separate channel and call it like Mr. Thomason's YouTube channel, we can do that. So let's go to create a channel. Let's say Mr. Thomason and create. And voila, after it takes a second, it has created a YouTube channel. I have now officially created a YouTube channel. So, and I take a few minutes here to kind of customize your channel a little bit. You can change the profile picture. It's usually starts with the letter that starts with. So if I wanted to put like maybe a picture of me, I can go to edit, upload a photo. I can actually just find this check mark over here. Oops. So I just did like a Bitmoji, and you can do the same thing. If you go on the web and you use Bitmoji, you can make an avatar or something that looks semi like yourself and say done. And now I've got a profile picture and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel. And let's say you took a video. So like if you watch one of my other videos, you took a video of a screencast. Let me hit refresh, see if the profile picture shows up. Yep, there it is. And I got a video waiting to go. So I want to upload a video. All right. So I'm going to switch over to the account that I just had over here. It's called Brett Explains. And I'm going to upload a video. So I already have some videos here. And what I can do is say upload a video and select the file and go find it, right? So here is a video of me and my mom talking about something. And I can actually name it. So I could say video discussion or interview. If you guys have a Mac, you can actually FaceTime on a Mac, and you can do interviews with FaceTime, and you can record with QuickTime. I might do another video on that. And that's basically what this is. And, tell the viewers what it's about, and is it made for kids? Don't put if it's made for kids, because now there's a whole thing where they can't subscribe to your channel if content's made for kids. So just say, no, it's not made for kids. Says, regardless of your hosting, you're legally required to comply with the COPA. No, it's not made for kids. Say next. Element next. I want to make it public. Here's another thing, unlisted. If you make an unlisted, it doesn't show up in your somebody can't search for it. So maybe you want to do that. Maybe you want to keep your stuff proprietary, and anybody with the link can see it. So you could just post the links in Classroom. So for that, I'm going to do this unlisted, and you can schedule it so it doesn't show up till whenever you say so. And I'm going to say save. Now, I've got a link already. Here's my link. I'm going to go to my Classroom. It's still probably processing in the background, and it's probably almost done. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's done. See how fast that is? That's awesome. So I've got the link. I'm going to go to a Classroom here, and let me switch over to my account. And I'm going to go into this sample class I've been using. It doesn't have any students in it, so it doesn't affect anything. I'm going to share with the class, add a YouTube link. I can just paste the link in this box, and voila, there it is. Video discussion. So I could say, hey guys, watch this lecture and comment down below any questions. You could do that, or you can make it an assignment. You could say, so let me cancel that and say assignment, add a YouTube video, paste that link again because I've already got it still on my clipboard. Interview, watch this interview and mark as done. Something like that. And then you could say assign, or of course you can also schedule your assignment. So anyways, that's how you do a YouTube channel. You can make one, and you can have people subscribe to it. If you want to know what your YouTube channel link is, if you go to your channel in YouTube, that is your link at the top. That's what you can copy and paste, and you can send that out to your kids. That's a great way to get started. All right, I'll see you guys later.